Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Hearing of Goa mining case still not fixed. Hearing might not happen on 19 July as the Green Bench will change. Situation uncertain. Father and son from Usgaon die on the spot in a tragic accident at Ponda. Driver of the vehicle which hit them leaves the car and flees. Government to give financial support to the pre-primary school teachers from this academic year. Enforcement within 4 months. And gold prices may go up. Jewelers join hands with the government to curb gold import. Voluntary ban on sales of gold coins and bars for 6 months. Now the news in detail. Mining dependents and Goan miners are hoping that Goa mining case will come up for hearing in the Supreme Court on 19 July. But this seems a distant possibility. Chief Justice Altamas Kabir is set to retire on 18 July and new Chief Justice P. Sadashivam will take over as his successor. Reconstitution of the Green Bench may take some more time. Government of Goa, hoping for an early resumption of legal mining, is all set for a decisive argument.
Government of Goa is toiling hard for an early resumption of legal mining activity. Resumption of mining activity in Goa is possible after rainy season only if Supreme Court revokes the ban in upcoming couple of months. Every mining dependent and stakeholder is hoping for a positive outcome on the Goa mining case when it comes up for a hearing. But considering the present situation at the Supreme Court, possibility of hearing on Goa mining case on the scheduled date seems bleak. Chief Justice of Supreme Court Altamas Kabir will retire on 18 July. Justice P. Sadashivam will take over as Chief Justice on the same day. Thereafter, he will reconstitute the Green Bench for hearing environment-related cases. Considering all these developments starting from 18 July, Goa mining case which is expected to be heard on 19 July might get adjourned. Goa mining case was last heard on 8 May. Court had directed Central Empart Committee to submit a fresh affidavit. Even after 2 months, CEC has failed to submit the fresh affidavit. Until and unless Empart Committee files the affidavit, hearing on the original petition will not be possible. Now the case will be heard by the new bench of Green Tribunal and the fresh date for hearing is awaited. Goa government is trying hard for early resumption of legal mining. If Supreme Court revokes interim stay, then mining may resume after rainy season. But at present, the atmosphere seems not building up in favor of Goa mining. Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
In a tragic accident in Ponda, a father and son died on the spot. Accident happened at Kurti, Khandepar on Friday. They were residents of Usgaon. They were on their way to Usgaon when they were hit by an oncoming car. People who witnessed the accident informed that the driver of the car abandoned the vehicle and ran from the site. Police are on the lookout for him.
Sonu Dohi Fode, age 77, and Mayur Dohi Fode, age 30, were on their way to Usgaon. Both are residents of Gaudiwada, Usgaon. An oncoming car was taking over another vehicle when the car dashed the motorbike on which the duo were travelling. The impact of the hit was very strong. The father and the son died on the spot.
मोटरसायकल रायडर म्हाका आतां उजगांव सायडीक वयता दिसता आनी एक इनो तो पणजी पोंडा सायडीक येतालो तो म्हाका दिसता ओवर स्पिडीन आसा ते स्पॉटा वयल्यान कळटा तो ओवर स्पीड आसा हय मोटरसायकलीचेर दोग जाण ऑन द स्पॉट एक्सपर्ट जाले ते आतां मातशें तेजी एक डॉक्युमेंट कितें आसा ते गवळीवाडा दहीपोडी म्हणून नांव आसा पण डिटेल नांव मेळूंक ना म्हाका हेजो ड्रायव्हर आतां सद्या एब्सकॉंडींग आसा स्पॉटांतल्यान गेलो तो कितें आसलें आमी एक्शन घेतले.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
Government has decided to give financial support to the pre-primary school teachers from the current academic year. The decision may take another 3 to 4 months to enforce, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said. The wages of the teachers will be raised considering their teaching experience. While mentioning that the government has received mixed response on the revised school timings, he made it clear that the education has to be student-focused.
We are also working on pre-primary teacher support because they get hardly 5,000, 3,000 like that. So from this academic year there will be more support financially for them to get additional between 8,000 to 20,000 depending on the number of years they will be working. Government has decided, but the administration required 3-4 months to get the things actually done. And though it is effective from first day of the academic year, it may actually happen in October, November. So there has to be some patience, and it will not happen from tomorrow.
Chief Minister says many have welcomed the revised school timings. Government will soon arrive at a solution considering the different aspects.
There are various aspects. Some people feel that half an hour increase, number of days, academic increase are creating some problem. In some places, people story. They say allow us full day school, and the parents have told me in one school we are working out sort of a session for all those who are interested to tell government on the issue. We had considered a lot of consultation in advance, but a single solution cannot be found or cannot be always be available for a vast area where 2,75,000 students are studying.
There are almost 150 students left out without admissions in the colleges. Government is in a process to sort out administrative problems at university level.
Some 150 students are without admission in colleges. No one need to worry, I am already aware of it. We are having talks with university. There are university rules which they don't want to violate. We have administrative problems in accommodating them.
Parrikar was speaking at an inaugural function of St. Xavier's Pre-Primary School at Moira on Friday. Aldona MLA Glenn Ticlo, Director of Akron Amar Brito, Father Simpliano Barreto and others were present for the function. Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.